The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is Samsung's future foldable flagship phone. It's set to be released in the summer, and leaks are already showing off its pretty face. So far, we've heard that the Galaxy Z Fold May 7th have gotten a lot of ideas for its form from the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. This is a very thin phone with a slightly bigger screen that is only available in China, where Samsung is based. When will the next Samsung foldable smartphone be available? The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is a foldable smartphone in the Samsung Galaxy Z series. It was announced at Galaxy Unpacked on August 10, 2022, along with the Galaxy Z Flip 4, and it came out on August 25, 2022. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the follow-up to the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and it was announced by Samsung Electronics on July 26, 2023. The event, Galaxy Unpacked, was held for the first time in South Korea, the home country of the company. Samsung usually announces its foldable phones in the summer, around July or August, at its yearly Galaxy Unpacked events. The phone came out on August 11, 2023. We expect the same thing to happen in 2025. The last Galaxy Unpacked event was on July 10, 2024, and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 was shown off. The next big thing from Samsung, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, will be shown off in the first half of July 2025 at the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event and will be available in August. Some rumors say that the cost will be the same as last year, while others say that the price might go up because the Z Fold Special Edition is so expensive. So far, it could go either way. It's important to note that a leak from late 2023 suggests that Samsung may have to deal with a more expensive chipset in 2025. This could mean that the prices of its top phones, like the upcoming Galaxy Fold 7, will go up. At this point, it seems likely that the price will stay the same as the Z Fold 6. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.